Hey everybody, this is Ralph, and I just wanted to jump on a quick video to share an insight that I gained this morning. This morning I was doing a new thing on my morning podcast called the Home Based Business Success Podcast, which incidentally can be found on Spotify, Spreaker, and places where all good podcasts are generally distributed. And we were going over this book, The Law of Success by Napoleon Hill. And what I'm doing is I'm reading a few pages out of the book every day and sharing that with my listeners. And we were talking about imagination. Imagination, how to apply it, how to use your imagination to achieve anything that you want to in life. And it made me think of a quote by Napoleon Hill that I read in his book, Think and Grow Rich. It is what the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. And I thought about this is a simple 3-step formula for success, which explains why so many people fail when it comes to applying, the whole law of attraction, manifest this, manifest that kind of thinking. It's that you need to first conceive it in your imagination. Okay, a lot of people are good at that. They can conceive of what they want in their imagination. Everybody can dream. But if it stays in the dreaming stage, it is never going to become a reality. You must first imagine what you want to achieve in your life, and then you've got to believe it. And this is where so many people fall short. They got the first step. They can dream. They can imagine quite a bit, but they don't actually believe they can accomplish it. A lot of people will imagine, I want $1 million. But then when it comes to believing that you can, what's your plan for getting $1 million, for making $1 million? What is your plan? And do you think you can work that plan? Well, a lot of people will just say, okay, my plan, I'm going to play the lottery. I'm going to win that lotto. $5 million. One day that sucker's going to be mine. But that's not really a plan. That's still just a dream. You have to conceive in your imagination what you want. Then you've got to make plans, and you got to believe that you can execute that plan. It takes preparedness. It takes faith. It takes feeling it in your heart that you can do this. And it takes a lot of self-confidence. So you have faith in yourself. That's what self-confidence is. Faith isn't just faith in God. It's also faith in yourself. And that in his book, Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill talks about self-confidence as being faith in yourself and faith in the infinite, faith in the universe, faith in the God of your understanding, if any. So yeah, you've got to have it in your imagination, what you want. Then the next step, have faith. Have a plan and have faith that you can accomplish that plan. Feel that you can actually do this. And a lot of people will try to cultivate that by using affirmations, psyching themselves up, getting that feeling that I can do this. I've got this. I can do it. But then they fall short on the third step of the formula. And the third step of the formula is you need to achieve it. You need to do the work necessary to bring your dream into reality. You've got to have it in your imagination, step 1. Feel that you can do it. Have a plan, make a plan, and feel that you can accomplish it, step 2. And then you actually have to do what you have planned, what you are setting out to do. You actually have to sit down, do the work, and get it done. Step 3, do it. Conceive it, believe it, achieve it. A simple 3-step formula that I believe anybody can do, but not everybody does. You got to dream it. Then you got to make your plans and believe that you can achieve those plans. And then you got to do the work to make that thing a reality. So I just thought I'd hop on a video and share that, because I know there's a lot of people out there that are in the dreaming stage. They got a dream. I want to make $1,000,000. I want to turn my yearly income into my monthly income. Dreams like that. I want to be rich, whatever that means. I want to be financially independent. But then they don't really believe they can do it. So then they go to the next step. Some of them will, and use affirmations and try to psych themselves up using affirmations. And they may go a little distance there in doing the affirmations. But then after that, you've got to take the third step, which is actually doing the work. If you want to make $1,000,000 in affiliate marketing, then you actually have to join an affiliate offer. You can't just imagine it and then get yourself psyched up into thinking I can do this and then not join an affiliate program, never even log in to any affiliate thing online. You actually have to take the next step, do the work. Same thing, if you want to be the world's greatest plumber, you got to have that dream. If that's your dream, you actually have to do a little bit of lessons, learn a little bit about plumbing, believe that you can do it. And then you actually have to crawl under somebody's house and actually start doing the work. And if you can do that, then yeah, you can become the world's greatest plumber. But it takes more than just imagination. It takes more than just faith. It also takes action. So, for me, that's kind of like, I'm going to work this up on a mem that I'll share online later. But it's kind of like a nice little trinity. Imagination on one side, faith, confidence on the other side, and then the groundwork is taking action. So yeah, imagine it, believe you can do it, and then take the action. That's the foundation. So this is Ralph signing out. Thank you for dropping by. We'll catch you in future updates. And if you'd like to learn a little bit about how to do affiliate marketing, if that's one of your dreams maybe in your imagination, we have an affiliate marketing school called the Home Business Academy, and it pays 80% recurring commission. It helps to train you in how to do affiliate marketing. And if you'd like to check it out, just go to my main link, ralphshomebiz.com. And that link will be in the program description down below. Okay, take care. Catch you later. Thanks for dropping by. Best of luck in whatever your dreams happen to be. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.